Hi, I'm Carolina.
And I'm Mark.
And here's a close-up look at Chicago-Kent College of Law.
Here in bustling downtown Chicago, it's hard to miss Chicago-Kent's award-winning 10-story building located on the corner of Jefferson and Adams. We're located smack in the middle of one of America's largest and most vibrant legal markets. Here, you'll attend classes just footsteps away from major law firms, government agencies, corporate headquarters, and state and federal courts, where many of our students and alumni work. Just inside our building, you'll find the Marovitz Courtroom, one of two formal courtrooms at Chicago-Kent. Here, you'll learn the ropes of trial practice. Behind the bench, you'll find the secret door to the judge's chambers and the jury room. And down the hall, you'll find the Cone Courtroom, equipped with the latest in litigation technology.
The Marisi Advocacy Corridor shows off Chicago-Kent's 4 first-place trophies from the National Trial Competition. In fact, here we show all the hardware won by our nationally ranked trial team and appellate advocacy team.
The Richard B. Ogilvie Auditorium seats 300 people. In recent years, Supreme Court justices have spoken on this stage, including Justices John Paul Stevens, Antonin Scalia, Stephen Breyer, and Elena Kagan, including multiple mayors and governors, cabinet officials, and members of Congress.
Welcome to the offices of the Chicago-Kent Law Group, our own in-house law firm. Here you'll work with faculty practitioners known throughout the Midwest for their litigation skills. Practice areas range from criminal defense law, entrepreneurial law, environmental law, even tax law and mediation.
Chicago-Kent has its own 2-story cafeteria, serving 3 hot meals Monday through Friday. You'll find Italian, Asian, and Mexican cuisine, and everything in between. Plenty of hot coffee and comfy seating make this a prime destination.
Our 3-story library supports the educational and research needs of our students and faculty. You'll no doubt be spending quiet time at our Berkson Reading Room located at the very top of our library. This room was inspired by traditional reading rooms of the 19th century.
You prefer the great outdoors? Pull up a chair on one of our 3 open-air balconies, looking out to Chicago's legendary skyscrapers. These balconies are perfect for study groups or one-on-one time with your civil procedure casebook.
Whether you like ping pong, pool, foosball, or air hockey, our game room is the go-to hangout spot when the library just doesn't cut it. Our game room is open all day, every day, for class breaks, study breaks, and weekend get-togethers. We'd love to give you a tour of the school in real time.
Just let us know when you'll be around.